Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu after a short break of a week. So, thank you so much for your patience, your concern, all your best wishes. Coming to this week's story. This week's story's title is The Bird in the Cage. So, once a merchant from Persia had come to India and there he bought a parrot. So, he loved this bird very much and he took it to his country and put it in a golden cage in his house. And it was a talking parrot. The parrot spoke to the merchant every single day, and the family rejoiced. They all were very happy to have the parrot at home because it brought a lot of vibrancy to the house. And then this went on for many days, and the merchant would leave every single day to work and the parrot would greet him, and when he would come back home the parrot would greet him again, and the merchant would lovingly feed the parrot and it would keep talking and he would enjoy his evening and then go to bed. So this was the routine, and once it so happened that the merchant had to go back to India again after a couple of years. So when the merchant was about to leave, he asked his wife, "Can you please tell me what do you want from India?" So the wife immediately said that, "I want some jewelry from India. The jewelry there is very good. Yeah, please get me some gold jewelry." So he asked his daughter, "What do you want?" She said that, "I want some toys from there. Please get some wooden toys from India." And then he looked at his dear parrot and he asked the parrot, "What would you want?" So his pet parrot said that, "Oh dear sir, please convey my best wishes to my friends in India. If you happen to see the green parrots in any garden there, please tell them that I'm alive and I'm well." So the merchant said, "Fine. Do you want me to convey this message?" The parrot said, "Yes, please tell them that I'm alive and I'm well." So the merchant said, "Fine," and he left for India and he arrived there, he finished his business. And one of the days when he was walking in the park, he saw a bunch of parrots. So when he saw these green parrots, he went there and he said, "I must convey my pet's message to them." So he went to those parrots and he told them, "Look, your friend has a message for you. Your friend lives in Persia with me in my house, and he wants to say that he's alive and well." Hearing this, one of the parrots started shivering and it fell down on the floor immediately. So the merchant felt very uncomfortable. He said, "What happened to this parrot? Because of me, this parrot died." And he felt very bad and he left that place. And after that, when he came home to Persia, he just entered the house, he gave the toys to his daughter and jewelry to his wife, and then he went to his dear parrot. So the parrot was eagerly waiting in the cage, and it looked at the merchant and he said, "Sir, did you convey my message to my friends?" So the merchant, grinned and he said, "Yes, of course I conveyed your message to your friends. But the moment I said that, you're alive and well, one of your friends started shivering and he fell down on the floor." So the moment the parrot heard this, the parrot also started shivering and it fell down on the floor and or floor of the cage. And the moment the parrot fell down, the merchant got very worried. He said, "What is happening? What did I do to my dear parrot?" And he opened the cage and took the bird and he thought he would bury it. He went to the garden, and while he was digging the soil, the parrot quickly flew and it sat on a branch of a tree. So the merchant was very surprised. He looked at the parrot and he said, "Oh dear parrot, why did you sit there? You're alive and I'm so happy." He was happy and he was very sad at the same time. He said, "Why did you pretend to be dead?" So the parrot said that, "Actually, I was very, very unhappy in the cage. So when you went to India, I actually sent a message to my friends asking them how to get out of this cage. And they gave this idea through you." By that parrot was actually not dead. My friend actually showed me a way to get out of this cage. So the parrot fell on the floor only to tell me that this is the only way to get out of this cage. So I did the same thing and I got out of the cage. So the merchant said that, "If you are free in the open skies, please go ahead and fly. I set you free. I don't want you keep you in a cage if you're unhappy." The parrot felt grateful and it flew into the open skies. So the message in the story for me is we all are born free and we wouldn't want to be caged. Yeah. So While reading this story, I remembered another story. When I was in school, we all went to watch Jungle Book. So many of you must have watched Jungle Book. The story goes like this: there is a small boy, Mowgli, who grows up in the jungle, and he lives with the animals, learns their language, and finally, the animals, as he grows up, he's threatened by the wild animals. So the other animals who are friends, like the bear and the tiger, all of them, they leave him back and send him back to his tribe, which is human beings. So they set him free. Yeah. So that's what I remembered. The most important scene I remember in Jungle Book is, so this is one of my favorite songs with Mowgli on Balu's back, and they both are swimming. So, bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about the struggle and the strife. Look for the bare necessities, old mother's nature's recipes that bring you the bare necessities of life. So look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. So I love this song. Whenever I used to watch Jungle Book, I watched it several times. I would love this song and I would keep remembering this song. So I thought I'll share with you that, the most important thing for me in this film was, when I was reading this story, what I remembered was how nicely the animals put the child back to his tribe. They connect him with human beings because they know that anyone caged or anyone with any other people or in a jungle would be unhappy. A human being would be unhappy in a jungle, a bird would be unhappy in a cage. So, this is what I wanted to share with you. Tell me how you like the story, how you like the song, and I'll see you again next week only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, stay well, have a wonderful week ahead.